particular order. Here is the Chevrolet Corvette. This one is a beautiful green. Take a look at the color. New for 2026 Toyota RAV4. Now, starting with the 2026 models, every RAV4 will now be a hybrid. And let's get a front view. Okay, our next vehicle is the all-new 2026 Nissan Sentra. This isn't your grandfather's or your dad's Sentra. The Sentra is much larger than it used to be. This is a front-end view of the Sentra. Let's get a and we have a rear view of the Sentra here. Let's get a quick look at the sticker. All right, our next vehicle is the all-new 2026 Honda Prelude. The Prelude has been absent for the market for a couple of decades, but it's back. It's a hybrid, and it's an elegant-looking vehicle. Let's get a look at the front. There's a front look at the Prelude. Let's take a look at the rear end, and then we'll get a look at the side. Let's get one more view up. All right, our next vehicle is the Lucid Air Gravity. It's an SUV. And let's take a look at the side view. We just got to look at the front. Now, I saw this SUV at the LA Auto Show back in November of 2025. And here's the Gravity. There's a rear view of the Lucid Gravity.